I think I would only expect one of them to be here. Since the texture coordinates are going from... Maybe texture coordinates don't go from -1 to 1. I think I remember these might go from 0 to 1. So if I put in... If I just replace the -1s with the 0s... Well, hold on. -1, -1. I don't know where this is reading, where the indices start. Like, is this 0, 0 at the top? I don't know, I'm just gonna change these. I'm gonna assume that's 0, 0. Wasn't trying to do that. Then it's -1, -1, then -1. Oh, this was -1, -1. So I'm assuming that's 0, 0, I guess. -1, 1. That should be 0, 1. 1, 1. It should still be 1, 1. -1, -1 should be 0, 0. One, -1 should be 1, 0. And 1, 1 should be still 1, 1. I can't believe that worked. That was... I really didn't expect that to work. There were so many guesses in there. Like, I wasn't sure if the coordinates really went from 0 to 1. I wasn't really sure if the origin was down here. Whatever. But this is great. Now I'm actually rendering to a texture and then rendering that texture into the image, which is exactly what I wanted. So for example, I could clear this to, is this yellow? Clear this to a different color, and only within that texture will the color be changed. Which is super cool. And the text rendering algorithm requires doing that, so hopefully I can adapt the text rendering algorithm to do this. So this is rendering the small hourglass. Then I guess I'll call this render to texture or something like that. Well, it isn't rendering to the texture. It's like rendering texture to screen. FBO.use. All of these should actually do FBO.use. I think. No, I should just have FBO.use here. So use, clear, render the large, render the small. And then render the texture, then render to the FBO again. Great. Okay. That was a ton of progress. Got a lot done. I have 3 people. I think that's enough for a raid. Someone who speaks Spanish. This person seems good. Oh, this guy's doing a programming contest. That seems cool. And he just started. Great. We can raid this person. Cool. Alright, say hi. I'll see you guys in the next stream.